It's just right up here, isn't it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so crazy. Alright, let me get situated. We can even go higher. Ow, ow. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my fucking god. Oh my god, I'm so scared right now. Oh my god. Hold on, let me just step back here. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. I hope this video is coming out pretty good. Yeah, I don't know. Probably can't even tell. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. This is so scary and incredible all at the same time. That's Mexico over there. Oh my god. Look at that canyon. Oh god. Hold on. I better shut this off. Hold on. Wow. I wish there's so right there in that little slit right there. The right side is the United States and the left side is Mexico. And the split and the Rio Grande goes right through that. Whew. Sitting on top of the world. Let me just show you if you don't believe me. Holy crackers, I hope I don't drop my phone. Oh god. Oh, that's Mexico. Whew.